Oh my god, y'all. Can someone explain? Who in the world left their McDonald's right there? They're literally right in front of my car. They were just coming to me like if I had food, bruh. Somebody better not ran over them. Like,
the white ones,
chicken nuggets.
and
Man,
the other ones were
I wish I had some right now, but like, still, like, no wonder why I found so much birds over there. See, now they're flying away. Now there's just 2 little birdies left. I bet they're gonna come back and, yup, their whole gang is here. Their whole gang is here. Oh, Lord have mercy. The gang is here. Look at that one. Everyone's pulling up. Nah, they're pulling up. Nah, one just landed. Nah, they brought the whole gang here today.